สวัสดีครับ Hello everybody, welcome to I Get Thai with me, Jack. In this video, let's learn how to roll your รอเรือ I think many of you are struggling with it. Well, after you watch this video, you will know how to practice a tongue trill and you can roll your รอเรือ for sure. Why do we have to roll our รอเรือ You know Thai language has many words with รอเรือ in it. It's essential to pronounce the words correctly. If you pronounce the words wrong, so the meaning will change definitely. Even you understand the context, but it's still not clear. I know many Thai people, especially the new gen, avoid rolling their รอเรือ Maybe it's hard to do it or something. Yeah, and I strongly believe that this video will encourage you and help you to be able to roll your รอเรือ You can pronounce words with รอเรือ correctly. Alright, are you ready? The first thing you need to know is your tongue must be in the right place. Yes, your tongue is in your mouth, but you have to lift the tip of your tongue to the alveolar ridge. What is it? And where is it? I'll show you the picture. Here, it's on the roof of your mouth and it's behind the teeth. Yeah, when your tongue touches it, you can feel a little ridge there. I can feel now. Do you feel that? Yes, right there. The alveolar ridge in Thai is ปุ่มเหงือกปุ่มเหงือก Okay, now you knew the position of your tongue needs to be already. Then I want you to say the word la. La. Yeah, with the sound of L. La. 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 Well, when you make the sound la, you can notice that you move your tongue down to produce the sound la, right? If you don't move the tongue down, otherwise the sound goes l. So the tongue controls the air. You can feel it's easy to make l, right? Because you don't have to force pushing the air out much. But when we do a tongue trill, we have to push the air out enough to cause the tongue to tremble. I'll show you. R, r, r. The tip should be a little bit loose. When the air is pushed out, the tongue will tremble, alright? R, r, r. In the beginning, you can do the short sound first. R, r, r. If you cannot do it, I think this method can help you. Yeah, two hands. And place on your cheeks like this. We do this because we don't want the air to pass through the gap in the cheek. And we have to close the gap. Yeah, and say r, 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 r. Yeah, when you got it, just take your hands out and say r, r, r. And in case that you really can't do it, you have tried r and r already many times, but it did not work for you, right? I think you have to exercise your tongue muscle. Maybe your tongue is too stiff or what. I will recommend you to do a tongue clicking like this. Yeah, can you do it? Yeah, keep doing it. If your tongue gets tired, just take a rest for a while and do it again and again. Alright? And maybe you can r and r. Alright? Keep practicing like this. You will be able to do it eventually. Right, when you can be able to do a tongue trill already, then you can do a long sound like as long as you can. Alright? But warning, don't forget to take a breath. Alright? And the last step is just to find sentences to practice rolling your รอเรือ Yeah, say รอเรือ with me. รอเรือ 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 Yeah, we practice a tongue trill for this letter. รอเรือรอเรือ Yeah, I have a sentence for you. Let's practice saying it together. เรารักโรงเรียนเราเรารักโรงเรียนเรา Yeah, เรา with the flat tone means we. เรา and รัก is a high tone means love. รัก right? We won't say รัก anymore because รัก means to steal. If you're in love with someone or something, you just say รักโรงเรียนโรง flat tone เรียน flat tone means school โรงเรียนเรา we yeah โรงเรียนเรา means our school โรงเรียนเราเรารักโรงเรียนเรา we love our school you love your school don't you yeah เรารักโรงเรียนเรา okay everyone and I would like to tell you the other advantage of doing a tongue trill. I'm telling you this is fun. Yeah, you can when you listen to the Morlam or Northeastern music of Thailand. Okay, let's and dance with me. Music! Well, I have to go. I can enjoy myself. Bye bye.
พี่น้องเอ้ยคนบาเสียงล่ำยังบ่ชินเสียงพี่ยังงี้ครับเอกราคาล่ำไม่หลาย